Folks, at 78 degrees as you head out the door, we're definitely turning the corner on July weather, as it's really going to be warm over the next couple of days. 89 was our high yesterday, but we're looking at about a 90, 91 over the next couple of days. And as the temperatures slowly go up, so obviously the heat index is the big problem. There you see our forecast highs around the region from 90 for us, 96 in San Antonio, 98 out in Laredo, and still warm in most areas. Again, for those of you who haven't been outdoors, I don't know who that's been, we're definitely in the summer heat and humidity. Again, the heat advisory is up because we're looking to peak out at about 105. A couple of days ago, I'm not exactly sure it was, but someone was taken to the hospital because their internal body temperature was 105. Okay, so imagine your body temperature is 98. If you get 102, you got a fever. If you've got 105, well, you've got a real fever inside because you're not able to cool down. So that's kind of what we're talking about when we say 102. Now, this morning we do have a few little streamer showers coming ashore. They've been very light and variable. Yesterday was a pretty nice day. We had a pretty good band of showers all over the place. I know that out in Benavides they got some rain because they sent me some video. This is what we've got this morning, just a few showers coming ashore, but generally that's up toward the Port Lavaca area. Not so much coming into our area right about now. So this morning should be fine. Remember the old low that brought us an incredible rain last week? It is actually still spinning around in northern Mexico. It is producing some much rainfall down there as well, but it is pulling away very slowly. Now, this is our tropical satellite map. When you see the red dots here, that's the area of maximum convection. Those are the biggest thunderstorms. So big thunderstorms south of us in Brownsville. In other words, we don't see much here, right? Because they're very little. Then we have one area off the coast of Nicaragua that we're watching carefully. And even though the entire Atlantic is very quiet right now, right here, the west coast of Africa, I'm looking at this. Now, will it organize? It's a big question, but it's certainly that time of the season. And when you see a big low come off the west coast of Africa onto the Atlantic, that's when we start watching it very carefully. So far, so good. That low continues pulling away. And then we're looking for just a few isolated showers again this morning and maybe this afternoon, but fewer as we get to tomorrow and even fewer as we get closer to the weekend. You know, remember that posh forecast, that plain old sunny and hot? Yeah, that's what we're going to be talking about for quite some time to come. Well, your 7-day forecast is brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. Isolated showers today and tomorrow, and then less of an opportunity as we get into the weekend. Temperature is going up into the low to mid 90s, so the heat and the humidity is definitely on.